In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Epic Games Launcher if it fails to open. So first, you need to check the Task Manager. Right-click on your Windows Start button and select Task Manager and open it. Expand this menu. Then under Processes, if you find any Epic Games processes, go ahead and right-click on it and select End Task option. Also go to the Details tab, and here if you find the Epic Games Launcher running in the background, right-click on it and select End Process Tree. Now close the Task Manager. If the issue still persists, clear the cache. Open Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, or you can simply search for it and launch it. Search for % to local add data %, hit enter on your keyboard. From here, search for the Epic Games folder. Then right-click on it and select Delete. Now try opening the Epic Games Launcher from your File Explorer and relaunch the Epic Games. If the problem still isn't resolved, try reinstalling the launcher. Search for Remove Program or add a Remove Program in the search bar. Search for Epic Games. Now once you find it, click on Uninstall, and once it is uninstalled, go ahead and install it from the web browser. It should now open successfully. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.